One of the most awaited games this week in the PBA would be Alaska versus San Miguel Beer. So I'll go around the table mamaya, tatanungin ko yung mga predictions nyo as to what's gonna happen in that game. But Alaska is currently at 2-3. What is wrong with Alaska?
Siguro they're just very inconsistent. I mean, they just can't get all the guys to play together. Like, see, JV, I mean, minsan, may isang game ata, 2 for 12 siya. And some games, he's the one playing well. Minsan si Abueva, 1 point in 20 plus minutes, which is really uncharacteristic for him. I mean, they just can't seem to string together a good game for everybody. Minsan si Gabby SPS, ang ganda ng laro. Si Sanitos, parang yun, just not at the same time. That's what's wrong for me.
Yung only win nyo so far was against them. Tama, di ba? What did you do right in that game against Alaska?
Siguro kabaliktaran yung sinasabi ni Charles. Ang ganda ng laro naman namin. Kasi yun talaga eh. Parang ang hirap talunin ng team pagswerte lahat.
Lahat sumushoot.
Diba? Lahat sumushoot. Kahit anong tira mo, sumushoot. Yun. Siguro, kailangan namin ibalik yung gano'n namin para bumalik kami sa winning track. Diba? Lahat naman ginagawa naman namin lahat eh, para ano. Pero yun nga, hindi lang nagkakatugma-tugma. Like, for example, si Paul, si Jeff, maganda yung game. Minsan, si Raymond, sama ng game, sama ng laro ko. Minsan kami magandang game, sila naman. Hindi nagkakatugma.
Sira yung paa mo, hindi
laro.
Ganun, oo.
But it's not always about you guys. We're talking about Alaska.
Kaya nga, kami na naman.
Kami na naman.
Okay, Magu.
Ibang topic na.
Alaska versus San Miguel. Everyone's excited for this game this week.
Yeah, it's gonna be yung Saturday game to in a really weird PBA week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday po ngayon. Meron tayo laro. Thursday, Friday, Sunday, wala. Ito yung nag-iisang game ng Sabado sa Binyan, Laguna pa. It's gonna be an out-of-town game. The only out-of-town game ng conference na to. Should be interesting kasi itong Alaska is coming off a long break. We heard Coach Luigi talk about fatigue, na ang dami nilang nilaro right at the beginning of this tournament. Ito na yung long break nila. I think every team magkakaroon ng more than 1 week break. Ito na yung kanila. Should be interesting to see ano yung ilalabas nila come Saturday.
Sige, let's go around the table. What is the current record of San Miguel Beer?
4-1.
Wow.
They've only lost to Talk and Text.
Wow. Okay, and Talking Text has not lost all conference rounds. Sige, go. Predictions. Mr. Almazan, sino man nanalo? Tingin mo lang.
Tingin ko,
Rain or shine.
San Miguel Beer ako.
Talaga?
Kasi parang inconsistent nga tong Alaska ngayon eh. So parang, kaya nga nasabi, na parang hindi sila lahat nag-contribute. Minsan may magandang laro isa. So parang nagkakagulo sila ngayon eh. Yung sistema nila, hindi katulad na nag-champion sila. Talagang very intact yung samahan nila eh.
Parang kailan lang eh, no?
Oo. So ako,
Ba't kinakabahan ka?
Hindi, doon ako tataka kasi nakaraan parang intact lang eh. Ngayon, so parang hindi sila consistent sa mga ginagawa nila. May magandang laro, tapos mga 3 games pangit. So parang sa tingin ko, San Miguel Beer
San
yung
Miguel na
mananalo.
mapupunta to. Ikaw, Ryan.
Feeling ko sa tinatakbo nung San Miguel Beer ngayon, mahirapan yung Alaska manalo. Pero yun nga, parang depende na lang kung pumutok yung import nila, si Dozier, tsaka si JV. Kasi si JV napaka
Bigyan mo
deadly.
X-Factor si JV.
Yeah, X-Factor talaga si JV. Mga tira nila sa labas, doon talaga yung nagpapalayo minsan sa game eh. Pagka pumutok si JV.
Sabayan pa ni RJ.
RJ.
Talagang
Bias ka.
nakaskwela niya.
Bias ka.
Azul.
Hindi naman masyadong halata.
Nice analysis.
Okay, lahat na nasa kaliwa ko, they're saying na San Miguel will take this game. How about kayo, Charles?
Ako, sino ba gusto ko? Si Batenista. Si Doug Kramer, gagawa yan. I find it hard to go against San Miguel Beer kasi they're really playing well. I mean, they're the better team by far. But, I don't know. I have a gut feel na maybe Alaska will be able to pull it off because, they had time to prepare. I guess this game really is very important for them. Syempre, they wanna be in the top 6, not just number 7 or 8, and para mas makalayo sila sa rain or shine, mahaba yung rain or shine. Pero, maybe I'll go with Alaska. I think I'll go with Alaska. Para rin maiba.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Magu.
Mag-a-Alaska rin ako para kailangan ka mag-desisyon
Salamat, thank
mamaya.
you so much.
Hindi, pero yung haba ng preparation, mukhang malamang naman maganda, napaghandaan na nila ng todo tong Saturday game na to. Pero ang interesting dito, yung magiging bakbakan talaga sa ilalim. Si Kraken, malamang pahirapan talaga ni Tos, ni Espinas, lahat ng buong frontline yan. At mag-Alaska lang ako para 2-2. Saan tayo?
Thank you, Magu. You're my best friend. Okay. So, sige. Mahabang time to prepare. Pero what if yung mahabang time to prepare na yon, kinalawang ba sila? What if? It is
nangyayari talaga.
possible. It does happen. So, ako tingin ko, ang lakas ng San Miguel.
malakas talaga.
It's not, they're not unbeatable. You know, it's not impossible. I'm not saying Alaska has no chance, but I think San Miguel will take Saturday. That's just us three. We shall see though.